Wasn't there a girl that was saying things?
Oh, I've been harassed by these two girls since 9th grade. I've been best friends with them both since like 5th grade. Everything. It all started over a boy. So I broke up with them. That's when it started.
All these problems with boys.
That's what I'm saying. It's like they're immature and everything. And one's the mom. Well, both of them are moms. One's 15 and she just had a baby. The other one's 16 and she's pregnant right now. And they're harassing me, saying I'm saying all this stuff behind their back, telling people at school. I'm like, I don't even talk to them about you and everything. So there's a girl at school that wants to fight me now because of the girl. And I know the girl that they're talking about because I know her very well. And I know she's going to do something or try something, so I would just stay with groups of friends just in case something happens. It's
Okay.
pretty